welcome back to my channel. Let me make the space for this video. This is a desktop whiteboard pad. It's perfect for taking notes. Has a glass surface, has a little area for storage, and it fits in where it gets in. That's basically what that says. It comes in two different colors, white, gray, white. I got it in white. And here are the dimensions: 15 width, 16 depth, 2 height. Comes with a desktop erasing pad, 1 dry erase marker, and 1 dry erase. Kind of confusing with that. And on the back, there's a little caution that says marker can stain the surface of the glass if you leave it there too long. I'm making that up. I'm not sure if that's what it says. You can read that right there. And product material: 60% ABS plastic and 40% glass. Recycled materials. Meaning, when you're done with it, throw it wherever you want to throw it. All right, let's open this up. That's inside. Plastic and foam. Over there. There it is. Glass top, plastic bottom. A little hole right here. I don't know what that's for. Good. This thing got some weight to it because it's glass. And a little paper inside. More information about it. Oh, and I guess that little hole is for like plugging and charging your phone. That's kind of cool. Marker, dry erase marker. So basically, this thing speaks for itself. Jot down notes. You want to draw some artwork while you're bored at your desk. You know, set reminders, video ideas, titles, whatever you want to do. And you could see it pretty much writes pretty smoothly. Yeah. So that was a quick video showing you what this thing does. If you need it for your desk, or you don't need it for your desk, or you want to gift it to somebody, that's pretty much it. Self-explanatory. Yeah. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll be back with more videos.